Good morning, children. Yesterday we learned the use of am and are. So today in this video we are going to read the sentences which are given in your grammar book on page number 26. So children, kindly open your grammar book, chapter 6, page number 26. We have already done the above lines which is under the topic is. I have explained you each and every line and why is used over these sentences. So now under the topic am, I am going to read out these 5 sentences and I'll explain you why am is used in these blanks. So let's start. Number 1. I am going to the Mughal Gardens. So here am is underlined and am is used in these sentences. Why? Because am is always used with I. You can see the pronoun I over here. So whenever there is I and after the I if there is a blank, then you have to use am. Clear? Moving to the second sentence. I am fond of flowers. So here I is written, therefore whenever I is there, and if we are talking about the now sentence, if we are talking about the present, then with I am will be used. Moving to the third one. I am upset right now. We are talking about the present time, so with I am will be used. Fourth one. I am ready to help you. It is a now statement. We are talking about the present time, therefore with I am will be used. Number 5th. Am I disturbing you? It is a question and talking about the present times, so with I am will be used. Moving to the second page, that is page number 27. Children, kindly open page 27 and the topic is are. Use of are. Where and when to use are in these statements. These are 9 sentences. I'll read out one by one. Number 1. Sonali and I are participating in a quiz. So why are is used in this blank? I have already taught you that are will be used when there is a plural noun or pronoun. If the noun or the pronoun is in plural form, then you have to use are. So there are 2 persons, Sonali and I. So when there is plural which is more than one, so there are more than one person, Sonali and I, therefore 2 people are there and it is a plural form of noun, so therefore we are going to use are with Sonali and I. Number 2. Children are jumping into the pool. So you have to look the noun before the blank. Here it is the blank and you have to look just before the blank that whichever noun is given, it is in singular form or plural form. If it is in singular form, then is will be used, and if it is in plural form, then are will be used. So children is a noun which is in plural form. child is in singular and children is in plural. So children is plural, therefore with plural noun we have to use are. Coming to the number 3, they are happy. So children, before the blank we have to see here they is a pronoun, they is in plural pronoun. It is so they is a plural pronoun, therefore with plural pronoun are will be used. Coming to the fourth one, we are always punctual. So before the blank, we, which is a plural pronoun, we means more than one. So with more than one are will be used if we are talking about the present time. Coming to the fourth one, we are always punctual. So here we have to see why are has been put in this statement. So before are there is a plural pronoun. Plural pronoun is we. We means more than one. And children, I have already taught you when there is a noun or a pronoun which is more than one, then we put are. And children, this chapter is all about now sentences, present times. Children, you are understanding now what I am trying to say. This statement, this chapter, which is chapter 6, verbs is, am, are. So these helping verbs are now words. Again, I am repeating because in the next chapter we are going to learn about helping verbs which are was and were. So this chapter is about present time. All the statements given here are talking about the present time, now time. Clear? So fifth one, Kanika and Prabhat are siblings. Children, siblings means brothers or sisters. Your brothers or your sisters. Okay, those are भाई बहन को ही siblings कहते हैं. So Kanika and Prabhat, these are two people. So for more than one, we use are. Yeah. In the sixth one, you are disturbing me. Children, you is a pronoun which is used for one person also and many persons also. For more than one, you also use you, and for single person, you also use you. Clear? So if you are talking about one person, then also you will come. If you are talking about more than one person, then also you will come. So with you have to always use are. Clear? Seventh, there are various flowers in the Mughal gardens. So there are various flowers here. Flowers and flowers is a plural noun. So with plural noun, we have to use are. See, S is written. There are more than one flower. So therefore, many flowers are there. We will use are. In the eighth one, these tulips are pretty. So these is a plural pronoun. This for singular. Singular, what will be the singular of these? Singular will be this. This is singular. These is plural. And tulips also. Tulips, see, S is given. More than one tulip. So tulips is plural noun. Therefore, are will be used. Wherever there is plural noun or pronoun, are will be used. Who, number 9 is, who are your siblings? So siblings, S is given, plural, therefore are. Clear, children? I hope you understood these 9 sentences. So if you have any problem or doubt in these 9 sentences, if you feel difficulty in understanding these 9 sentences, kindly WhatsApp me, text me on my personal number also. Don't hesitate to ask. Because the more you will ask, the more you will learn. So please, children, develop the habit of asking questions from your teachers. Children, you must ask as many questions you can. Try to develop a habit of asking, questioning, so that you develop the habit of eagerness. आप में eagerness होगी, इच्छा होगी जानने की, then you will surely clear your doubts. So children, I am always available to answer all your queries. So please, please, please do ask if you feel any kind of difficulty in understanding grammar. Children, okay, now we will do this exercise number 1, which is fill in the blanks with is or am or are. Slash means or. Okay, and this 2 dots, it is called colon. What do we call it is? It is a colon. Children, you should know these things. Okay, you are growing up, you are now in class 3, so you should know that these 2 dots are known as colon. Okay, number 1, the vendors. Children, listen, uh, there is more than one vendor. S is written plural, therefore we are going to use are. Clear? Number 2, popcorns. More than one. S is written plural, we will use are. I. With I, we use am. Am is always used with I, so there is no doubt about it. Number 5, I. Again I, we are going to use am. Number 6, my friends. Friends, plural. S is written one friend, many friends. Plural हो गया friend का, therefore we are going to use are. They. They is plural pronoun, right? Plural pronoun. And with they, we are going to use are. We, again, plural pronoun, so are. They are my parents. We are the winners of Western dance competition. Number 10, dash they your team members. So they, plural pronoun, are. Are they your team members? क्या वो आपके team members हैं? So number 11th is already done, 12th is already done. Moving to the 13th one, how is the weather? Already done. 14th, my teeth. Children, the teeth is in plural form. Okay, teeth का singular होगा tooth. Okay, teeth का teeth क्या है? Plural है बेटा. ठीक है, और teeth का singular होगा tooth. Clear? So teeth is a plural noun, so therefore are. My teeth are strong, but my sister's teeth are weak. Turning to the next page, page 28. Number 15th one, Amzad and I. Amzad, one person, I, second person. So therefore, two people are there, therefore are. Clear? How dash you? So with you, you have to always use are. Okay? 17th is done, 18th is done, 19th is done, 20th is today we. So we is a plural pronoun, therefore we are going to use are. We are going to Pratapgarh farm. It is. Children, place. One single place is given. Singular it is. It is also singular pronoun. Therefore, we are going to use is. Singular pronoun. It is singular pronoun. Therefore, we are going to use is. Children, this exercise, which is fun time, decode the message by taking the first letter of each picture. So these are the pictures given on this page 28. This is a picture of nest. This is a picture of egg. This is a picture of bus. Sorry, van. Van it is written. This is not a bus. It is a van. This is a picture of an elephant. This is a picture of a flower. So children, what you have to do in this fun time exercise, you have to write the first letter. You have to write the first letter of this picture in this box. For example, this is an egg, so you have to write E, because egg, the first letter of an egg is E. Similarly, this is a van, so the first alphabet of van is V, so you have to write V. Clear? Are you going to do this? So children, this is your homework. I hope you understood how to do this exercise. For example, this is an yak. This is a yak. So you have to write Y for it. Clear? This is an orange. So orange starts with, the first alphabet of an orange will be O. So you have to write O. I hope children you understood. I will not do this exercise fully for you. You have to use your brains and you have to do this one time exercise on your own. I hope I have explained enough to you so that you may understand. Okay, this is your homework. Kindly do it and submit your homework tomorrow before starting the class. Okay, thank you so much children. I hope you understood what I taught you in this video, and thank you for your cooperation. Stay safe, stay healthy.